The following video was kindly sponsored by Harry's.
It's a perfect day for the road. The blue sky will take us home. We'll take it easy, we'll take it slow.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of 1806 Stonehouse. Hello. As promised, I believe I am going to tackle the windows on this gable end of the west-facing side of the house. As you can see now, there's a window there, but in order to look through it, we have ordered windows. 2 windows for that side of the house, and I believe they are, I gotta find the sheet to make sure. I believe what we ordered were 30 by 60s. 30 inches by 60 inches. I'm not a pro when it comes to measurements with centimeters, millimeters, inches, I don't know the conversion, but 30 inches from 60 inches, I think that's somewhere around like 3,729 centimeters and 8 meters for those of you that use that system. First thing I think I want to do is rip that window out. That way I can do the next step. I'll explain the next step once I get that window out. Seems safe. Okay. Looks like it's got some weird square-headed screws. None of those are square. How do you get that out? Like, you gotta have... So now I can do the next step, which I think is going to be kind of fun. I'll bring you outside to show you.
Are you tired of being bottom on the food chain? Or just not being noticed around the watering hole, no matter how impressive you really are? Easily and quickly, you can go online and order this starter kit for $5 from Harry's and start feeling as good as you look. Harry's is always delivered on time in the mail when you need it. And boy, oh boy, do you need it. In the starter kit, you're going to get a reusable handle, a razor to get you started, and their amazingly soft shave gel. Go to harrys.com and use my promo code 1806 Stonehouse and you will get this $13 package for $5 shipped to your door. We've been using Harry's for over 4 years now. Really enjoy it, always having sharp razors ready to go, no matter how Neanderthal you are. Harry's also sells amazing deodorants, soaps, hair wax, and other care products. Harry's products really are top of the line, some of the best shave gel I've ever used. I really want to say I love the hair wax. I use it every single day and have for multiple years. It's the best I can find. You're going to feel like a whole new caveman. And it's going to help you get noticed by those other Neanderthals. I'd like to thank Harry's for the sponsorship And now it's time to get back to this week's episode.
The wall that you can see right there is that wall that I just took that window out. You can kind of see it. It will look centered to the outside of the house. Yeah. Good? Let's say right there. As close as it needs to be.
Mm-hmm. Go slightly towards the driveway. Too much.
7.5 inches. It needs to go down 7.5 inches. Yeah, right there. Make a line way over there. Yeah.
It moved.
You're still fine. Yeah.
It's gonna be nice to be able to like look outside.
Am I cutting this one? Yeah.
Yes.
All right. I don't want to think about it anymore. I just want to cut something.
Yeah.
Let's just hope that that's level, right? Because then I don't have to mess with it. So that means I'm high in the middle, and it's kind of bowing.
Mm-hmm.
So that means the outsides do need to be wedged up a little bit.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I'm gonna need some shingles. We have like the best shingle supply. I'll show you. Yeah.
Shim.
One.
How many do you need?
Probably 2 more. How's that? Looks pretty good. That looks real good to me. That's pretty good though. Yeah, like that's gonna be solid. We're about ready to cut the hole here, and I had to get a drill bit. I hope this one's long enough because I want to drill through the wall in the corner, in the tops, and just kind of see where that is. The window should be center to everything because we went off of a center line. But sometimes you just don't know until you start cutting holes in your wall. No big deal. But yeah, this drill bit, I hope it's long enough. I don't know. I could try to get it. Yeah. You can tell how good a drill is by the chuck when you have a really long drill bit, if the drill bit's like, oh, then you know like it's not on. Look how good this one is. It doesn't even move. Milwaukee. I mean, it's a 4-foot drill bit. Anyways, ready? Good?
Yeah.
That doesn't cut through. Kinda hard to figure out how to cut this hole because I can't get. Uh-oh. That's heavy. So as I was saying, I don't know quite how to cut this. It's hard to get straight on and close enough to the wall because these 2x4s are kind of in the way. You need to be like a little ways away. And I don't really want to use a big loud, a huge honking chainsaw. So I'm just gonna use the little chainsaw. This might not work. This blade is so shot. I think it's the one that I used to cut the clay. Remember that?
What? Thanks, eh? We gotta save that. I knew that was gonna happen.
Well, it's heavy.
It was coming.
It crushed the tulips.
That'll never come out. Cool. What do you think?
It's like epic.
It's better than it was.
I love it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a difficult level of 5. I don't think that was very difficult. It's just planning, right? You plan to where hopefully you cut correctly. We had no surprises other than we almost put the window. Imagine that.
Too high.
What would we have even done? We almost put the window. Imagine that.
Too high.
What would we have even done?
Dear Eli Schwarzentuber. I accidentally made my window hole a little too big, and I need to change what I ordered.
Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Look at how different it is. What do you think?
Always hang on to something because if the stairs
Where'd the
somehow
other
broke,
window
you know,
go
then
now?
you'd be
Right
hanging on.
there.
That's big.
Ready? Turn around.
All right, listen. This is the thing. I can't be the only one. I think it looks funny. It looks huge. But it won't look like that when the window's in there. Because the window's got trim all around and it's a, what are they called? Double hung? Double hung window. And they're not all glass. They have like little panes. So it's going to look different when it's done. Because right now, whew, it looks funny. It's like a sliding glass door. You know, it just looks huge. Doing a really good job of what I feel like is just like ripping the outside of the house apart. I just hope I can get it to like look good when I go to put it back together. The trim and everything. And have it be like, you know, more importantly, watertight, stuff like that. But I think that's going to do it for this video. That was a big job. And now we're going to go do some other things. So, see you next time I turn the camera on. Bye.